Today is Chittira, the second day of Onam. Welcome all to my YouTube kitchen. Look at this Pokalam today's with yellow, orange, red, and purple flowers. Isn't it so pleasing to the eyes? Just like the colors are growing day by day, our Onam spirit is also becoming brighter. Just like flowers in the Pokalam, our menu also grows from today. So, along with rice, today I am preparing a very special dish, avial, a traditional Kerala favorite made with mixed vegetables, coconut, and curd. Simple, wholesome, and filled with flavor. Avial adds true color to our Chittara meal. The main step in avial is chopping the vegetables into long pieces and keeping them even. This way, when cooked together, each vegetable keeps its shape and the dish looks colorful and beautiful. I am taking a small piece of yam and chopping it into lengthwise. Since yam can sometimes cause itching, it's better to grease your hand and knife with a little oil before cutting. Next is the raw banana or plantain. Removing the skin and chopping lengthwise. Raw banana, while chopping, it releases a kind of sticky latex that makes the hand feel rough. You can apply oil to the knife and your palms before cutting. After cutting the raw banana, I will soak them in tamarind water to prevent oxidation. Next is the white pumpkin. This vegetable cooks in no time, so we will add it at the end. It has got very light and easy to digest. Its high water content keeps the body cool and hydrated. Naturally low in calories, great for health conscious cooking. Avial is not complete without drumstick. Its distinct flavor ties all the vegetable together, making this dish truly authentic. Next is the carrot. It brings a natural sweetness and a pop of color, making avial look and taste even more delightful. To the pot, I am adding long beans, cluster beans, French beans, ivy gourd, carrot, drumstick, and now I will cook them in just a little water, enough to soften them but still keep their natural shape intact. Let me add a slice of raw mango also to this for that nice flavor. These vegetables take at least 8 to 10 minutes to cook. We can now grate the coconut and keep the masala ready for avial. I have got grated coconut, green chilies, and thick curd ready for avial. And finally, we can add some curry leaves and coconut oil to it. Let us grind the coconut and green chili. It needs a coarse grinding, doesn't need any fine grinding as such. I am adding little curd also while grinding. You can add the green chilies depending on your spice level. Also, the curd should not be very sour, it should be medium sour. As we are adding some raw mango also to the avial, we need to check the sourness before adding too much of curd. Let us add some salt now. Adding the raw banana to the pot. Then goes in the pumpkin. Then the raw mango slices. These three vegetables need very less time to cook. That's why I'm adding all these three at the end. All the vegetables are cooked now. Let us add the ground masala paste to the veggies. That is coconut green chilies with a bit of curd. After adding the coconut and green chili paste, we are not going to cook for long. Just a couple of minutes, enough for the raw smell to go away while keeping the fresh flavors intact. The yam is already cooked. I'm adding it now to the pot. The curry is ready. I'm adding little more curd to that. While grinding coconut also I've added little bit curd. And there it is, our avial, fresh and flavorful, ready to serve. A true Chittira special curry to brighten today's Onam celebration. This is how I make avial. Do you also make it the same way or do you have a different style at home? Let me know in the comments.